What is up guys, I'm Gabriel.meneses, your digital marketing coach, and today I'm teaching you how to add a clickable link inside your TikTok bio. This is huge because you're taking advantage of all of the free traffic you are generating from TikTok and sending these people to your blog, website, product page, and even other social media platforms. So make sure you stay until the end to learn this tip. So like this video, subscribe, and let's get started. What is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm teaching you how to add a clickable link under your TikTok bio. This is super necessary for businesses and personal brands because you should have a call to action at the end of each video. So let's say that you're showcasing a product and at the end you say, check the link in bio to learn more, for example, or if you are a personal brand trying to send people to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram or any other social media platform. So you should have a link under your bio. So for this one, we click edit profile. Then we go to website, and then for my case, I'm going to showcase my YouTube channel. So I paste my URL right here, and then we click save. And then we go back, and you can see now that people will understand that what I do is I teach entrepreneurs how to market and sell products and services online, and then they can click the YouTube link right here, and then they can consume the long form videos teaching how to do this. Just a quick break here to remind you that I'm posting tips just like this one every single day over my Instagram account. So go ahead, give me a follow at @Meneses, and listen, if you have any question, feel free to reach me at private message because I'm always happy to start a conversation with you. So let's continue. So it's super easy for them, and then when I create my videos, if I'm teaching something under 1 minute or 15 seconds, and if I want them to check out the long form version of this tutorial, I send them to the YouTube channel to learn more. So I strongly encourage you to add a link inside your bio because this will help you to drive traffic to other social media platforms and also to your e-commerce store or anything that you have going on. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and the good news is that I have a ton of free content just like this one around TikTok and Instagram. So make sure to check it out and also subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.